ChatGPT tutorial for beginners. How to use ChatGPT as a complete beginner. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and how you can write anything you want with this AI tool. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will actually have to go to openai.com and you will land on this website right here. ChatGPT is provided by OpenAI, and then you will have this option right here, ChatGPT, and you can click on try. It will take you to chat.openai.com, or you can directly go to chat.openai.com. The link will also be given in the description down below. So once you click on it, you will get right here. You will actually need to sign up for ChatGPT. So with you can sign up for free. There is no pricing plan or anything. You just sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. But let me actually show you what is ChatGPT if you have no idea. It is an AI tool that is available, and what happens with ChatGPT is that it is a model that has been created for us, and we can ask anything to ChatGPT and it will give us an answer. It's just like Google, but it is different because it is an AI tool and it works in a conversational way. So it's just like having a dialogue with a very intelligent person or a very intelligent assistant with a robot that will give you any answer. So you can write essays with ChatGPT, you will be able to write codes with ChatGPT, you will be able to create websites and much more. So you can see it has a dialogue format that makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions. It will also admit its mistake just like a person. You can also challenge an incorrect information, and it will also reject inappropriate requests. So this is ChatGPT. Let me show you how to use it. So as a complete beginner, once you sign up, this is the interface. It's actually really easy. We have a new chat option. You click on it to create a new chat and to ask a brand new question. At the bottom right here, all you need to do is you just enter what you are looking for. So we have some examples here. We have explain quantum computing in simple terms. This is what you can ask ChatGPT. Then we have get any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday. So this is very simple command that we want to get. And then we also have a complicated command such as like how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript. So let me show you. Let's say I actually wanted to know what is Python. I have no idea. So let's actually ask our AI assistant. So here we have our answer. What is Python? So we have Python is a high-level interpreted programming. Python is known for its simplicity, reliability. Python has a syntax. So it actually gave me an answer in very easy words, and now I will be able to understand it. Let's actually write something more. Now I can actually continue the conversation, and I can ask it to write a code for me. And here we have our answer. So I asked my AI to write a code for me and it did. So you can see hello world code in Python. You can notice how it is continuing the conversation. I just asked it to write a code, but it knows that I'm talking about Python. I want to know about Python. So it gave me the first answer is how to write a code in Python, right? So all I need to do is just copy the code and use it. So this is actually really good as a beginner. We don't even have to do anything and we will be able to actually generate codes. Even if you are into coding and you want to fix something, you want to know an error that has been occurred in your coding, the AI will help you with that. So you can see we have our codes here, so you can just click on copy code and you will be able to use it. So this is like a very effective use of chat GPT. Now let's actually create a new chat, and this time I'm going to ask a very simple question like how to bake a cake. So you can see we have our answer, and ChatGPT gave me a very easy answer, how to bake a cake. So first it gave me the ingredients, right? And then it gave me the recipe on how to do it, like preheat your oven in a medium bowl, mix together everything. So this is actually a really good help. You can see now I know how to bake a cake. Let's actually create a new chat again, and this time I can ask my AI to help me write a description for a YouTube video. So here we have our description ready. You can see this time I actually gave a very specific command. I asked it to write a 5 to 10 lines YouTube description for me, and it did. You can see it has written a very good YouTube description for my YouTube video. Now I can ask like more commands. I can ask more follow-up questions such as like, can you write a promotional tweet for this video? And here we have a tweet ready for this video. Similarly, I can ask it to write maybe a Facebook post for me, an ad for me, anything I want. So this will help you save a lot of time and a lot of money. We can even write essays with it. It can help us write a book as well. You can generate different ideas through it. You will be able to actually understand different concepts if you like, and you will also be able to even build websites and write codes with ChatGPT. So this is actually an amazing AI that you should definitely check out, and it will help you ease your work and save a lot of time and save money as well. If you're paying someone to write descriptions for you or something, then I think you should definitely check out ChatGPT. So you can see it's very easy to use once you sign up. There is also a light mode available, so you can just switch to light or darker mode. The link for ChatGPT will be given in the description down below, and you can just sign up. And after that, it's really easy to use. You can just type in whatever you want, and it will give you the answer. With the capabilities we have, you can see it actually remembers what user said earlier in the conversation, allows users to provide the follow up correction, trained to decline inappropriate requests. There are also some limitations, such as may generate incorrect information sometimes. It may produce harmful instructions as well sometimes. And then we have a limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So keep that in mind while using this AI. But other than that, it's a really good AI that is available now to help us with everything, and we can write whatever we want. I hope that I was a big help, and now as a complete beginner, you know how to use ChatGPT. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.